Before you even get to investing, it is critical that you have proper banking in place. Your financial resources are all tied to the bank that you use and so many other details. And I go over that in this video. Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Maoli Voti. Welcome to financiallypresent.com, your one-stop shop for financial and investment education. And today we're talking about financial management. And it all starts with how you bank. So my first tip or recommended resource is your bank. Pick a local regional bank, at least, at minimum. I bank with Apple Federal Credit Union. If you can use a credit union, even better. These small banks have the ability to you speak to someone one-on-one, particularly have multiple lines of business with them, and maybe even be able to negotiate specific things. I was able to have my mortgage, my checking, my savings, and a credit card with my credit union. And there were times where, because I needed to do something else, I was able to negotiate specific rates with them and speak to someone, say, hey, I have my mortgage with you. Is there something else you can do? Or, can you waive this fee? Or can I get this free book of checks? And all of those things are included with the more business you give to banks. And they don't like you moving from bank to bank. So they would love to have you do all of their business with you. Of course, I do some other banking, right? Because I don't want a single point of failure. But the bulk of the business, or what I do, is with one credit union. And it makes it more convenient because I can save in fees. My second recommendation for banking and financial management is to use auto pay or bill pay. It's extremely important to do that because it saves time and it saves money, okay? Gone are the days where you put a check in the mail and put a stamp on it and expect it to get there on time to pay your water bill or light bill or phone bill. And I'm the type where I have specific bills where I want them to be auto paid, maybe like a cell phone bill or cable bill and things of that nature. But there are other bills where I'd rather monitor them. So I may use bill pay for that instead. And the benefit with using bill pay is I don't have to give every institution all of my financial information or login and password and things like that. I would rather use my bank account, use bill pay, and have a check mailed directly to that institution for free, because that's what bill pay does. Or it transfers money electronically to that institution for free. So in my area, it could be my electric bill, my water bill, gas bill, all are paid using bill pay. And it makes it extremely easy. I don't have to remember my login and password for all of those other places. And now I don't have my sensitive information at every institution I do business with. At least I can have it at my bank and I can modify the payment. I can schedule it ahead of time, or I can schedule it for a different time that's more convenient for me in my situation. You definitely need to use bill pay and even auto pay to make things easier for you and give you less to remember. Next is my financial management app, and I actually like to use Mint.com. I've used it for about a decade at least, and I love it. It's one of those applications where it aggregates all of your information so that you don't have to look in every single account to figure out your situation. You log into Mint.com, you log in there with your bank accounts, your credit card numbers or credit card accounts, your retirement accounts, your investment accounts, and now I have one place where I can see everything, and it makes it 10 times easier. And on top of that, they will refer to certain products that can be helpful, whether it's checking your credit score on a regular basis or opening up a checking account through a different institution. Sometimes you have access to different discounts and things like that. But one of the features I really, really like is that it helps you understand quickly what your net worth is and where the value of your home is. If you own a home, you can even add that. But then also you can set goals in your financial management app, Mint.com. You can say, hey, if I want to save $2,000 for this vacation or this trip, or I want to save a certain amount of money because I want to buy a home in a year, you can set all of that and it will tell you your progress toward your goal on a regular basis. It will remind you with all types of notifications. It's very, very, very helpful. It makes things 10 times easier for you so that you can worry about other things. Now, my last point, and I have a free gift for you, But before I go into that, I want you to take a moment, like this video, subscribe if you're new to the page, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on future information. All right, so my last resource, or last resource for this video, is my free budgeting spreadsheet. Yes, you are able to use this spreadsheet, and I've used this for over a decade, and I know other people have used it at least 12 years, and it is tried and true, and it stood the test of time. This spreadsheet is very simple. It uses Excel. It has all of the calculations already done, but it allows you to have everything in front of you in one place. You don't have to rely on an internet connection. You don't need to worry about putting all of your passwords anywhere. And I actually recommend that you use this before you would use a financial management app, because it allows you to have everything in front of you. It can be just for you if you're a one-person household, or if you have multiple people, you can put all of that financial information in and really see where your funds are going, how much you have left over at the end of the month, where all of your money is going towards. And if you can adjust things, you're able to do it real time and see what it looks like, and how you can create different what if scenarios. What if you made more money at a specific job? Or what if you had a pay cut? You can factor all of that in really, really quickly and see what it looks like for your financial situation. This spreadsheet is free and available, and you'll see the link at the bottom of this video. Feel free to use it and let it empower you, allow you to really get a hold of your finances and know your situation so that you can be a better investor. If this video was helpful for you, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the page, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any more content. And until next time, stay present.